Hello everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I want to talk about how flexible the Everspruce app is when you're labeling your area and your box. For example, when you're thinking of an area to use in the Everspruce app, you're probably thinking kitchen, garage, storage facility outside your home, or any bedroom in your house. But actually, the Everspruce app is designed to be more flexible. It doesn't have to be an actual room in your home. It can actually be like a cabinet in a bedroom, or a closet, or a drawer in your dressers, one of your drawers of your dressers. So it doesn't have to be this large area that we think of. It can actually be something smaller. And then when you decide what your box is going to be in that area, for example, I have in my master closet some cabinets and some drawers. So my area is my master closet. My drawers in that master closet are my boxes, and then I start taking images of things that are in those drawers that are valuable to me that I want to keep track of as the items. So you can see that the Everspruce app is very flexible. You just have to think outside the box a little bit to see how you can utilize it to fit your needs. So example I have here to show you is I have this jewelry box that I keep in a drawer in my master closet. So I have labeled my area is drawer number 1, master closet. My box is this jewelry container, and then the items I keep in this box I take images of so I know where they are. So that's one example here that how I've used the Everspruce app in a non-traditional way of my area just being a small drawer in my master closet. And then the box is the jewelry box, and the items are the items that I store in it. So you can see area boxes doesn't have to be this traditional thing that people usually think of. So you can get creative and use the Everspruce app to fit your needs. It's very flexible in that way. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.